So I just got 200% done in this project, and I said, hey, why not I teach the world how I did it? So, hello world, let's begin. Okay, so I got 200% and I'll be walking you through how I did. I made sure that I did everything first, that I got it correctly before I start to say, let me teach other people. So, yes, let's begin. So firstly, all these resources, they are very important, very important, very important. So go through all of these from here. Let me just continue. Let me just continue. The requirements, the shell scripts, you have to read through all of these. So, okay, this is one thing that's very important from here. The requirements. Allowed editors, the VI, Vim, the Emacs. All your files will be compiled using GCC. Okay, all your files should end with a new line. That is very important. A readme.md file at the root of your repo should be at the root of the repo, containing a directory of the repository. Then a readme.md file at the root of the folder of this project, containing a description of the project. I will show you what that means, and I will show you how to do that. You are not allowed to use system. There should be no errors and no warnings during compilation. Shell scripts. All scripts be tested on this Ubuntu. All your scripts should be exactly 2 lines long. That's also very important. The first line of all your files should be exactly shebang bin bash. I find that name very funny. But this is the hashtag, and the exclamation mark is called the shebang. I'm not going to explain that right now. If you want me to explain in depth all of that, let's let me know. I'll show you how I did it, and I'll be explaining briefly as we go on. Okay, so I will be taking you through this Betty linter a bit later, but before that, let's move on to the quiz questions. The quiz questions that you will be asked to solve. So now, which command can be used to compile a C source file? The answer is GCC. Which of the following are both valid comment syntaxes in ASCII C and Betty compliant? That is, comments this, and comments blah blah this. What is the common extension for a C source file? That is .c. What is a common extension for a C header file? .h. What are the different steps to form an executable file from C source code? Pre-processing, compilation, assembly, and linking. In which category belongs the C programming language? It is a compiled programming language. So more info, the Betty linter. To run the Betty linter, just with the command Betty. So they are teaching you how to run this Betty linter. So now, firstly, they say you should go to the Betty repository. So click on this, open a new tab, copy the link up here. Copy this link, or you can click this, and then you can copy this link. Then close this, it's no longer important. Then open your web terminal. Let me just scroll all the way down here. Okay, so to open your web terminal, put your cursor here and then scroll till you see sandbox. Control click to open a new tab. Then click here, click web terminal. You can close this, and then we're in. So it's time for you to feel like a hacker. Now let's begin. Firstly, they said you should clone the repo to your local machine. I advise you are not in any other folder but this folder right here. To make sure you are in this folder, print pwd. That is this. If you are in any other folder, let's say, okay, let me just change the folder to one other thing, to any random thing at all. Let me change it to boot. Now, if you type pwd, and you are in any other folder, first go back to this one by doing cd, by typing cd, this will take you to root, this, then dot dot, then this will take you one folder back from root. Press enter, then pwd print working directory will make sure that you are here. Good, we are here now. So now they said we should clone the repo to your local machine. You do that by simply typing. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to just, yes, good. Now to clone it, you'll simply type git clone, then Ctrl+Shift+V to paste the link that you clicked on earlier, then press enter. Hit enter, sorry. Press hit. So destination paths Betty already exists. I already have Betty. As I told you before, I did everything to make sure that everything I'll teach you is correct. So I've already created Betty, but yours won't show anything here at all. So it's okay, just continue. Then cd into the Betty directory. That means you press cd, then Betty, press enter, hit enter. Okay, pwd, make sure that you are in Betty. Good. Then now the code to install the linter with sudo all of these. So let's type it. Sudo install.sh, hit enter, and it will install all of that. I've already installed it before, so although this is the same thing that I have to show you. So just continue. Emacs or vi a new file called Betty and copy the script below. So what they are saying is I should press vi, then Betty, hit enter. Emacs or new file called Betty and copy the script below. So copy all of this, press I to insert, then Ctrl+Shift+V to paste. Although it's best you type it if you want to really, be used to all of this syntax. So press escape to go to command mode, then :WQ to write and quit. And just press ls to be sure that Betty is there. Yes. Then once saved, exit the file and change permission to apply all users with change chmod a+x Betty. Then press enter. Press ls again. So that this Betty is now in green. That means it is an executable. Then it said move Betty file into bin directory or somewhere else in your path with sudo move. So let's do that. Super user do, that is sudo, super user do Betty, then bin that. So this is sudo, that is super user do mv. I didn't put the mv before, so mv Betty bin /, and then you're done. You can now type Betty name to run the Betty linter. I'll show you why that's important later, but for now let's move on to the tasks. So if you like this video, please like the video. If you like this, if you want to see more like this, I will be moving on to more complex topics next. So subscribe for that. So now for the first, okay, so let me just clear my terminal right here by typing clear, then enter. Good. So now it says write a script that runs a C file through the preprocessor and save the result into another file. So firstly, you have to create this repository, ALX low level programming. So I've done all of this before, that's why it's done, and that is why I can teach you this. Okay, so firstly, you have to go to your home directory. I just should do this. Oh, sorry. I do cd root, then one folder behind root. Boom, and then ls. So I already created this low level programming, but I'll show you how I did it right now. So first you have to go open your GitHub, go to github.com, then sign in. Okay, so I've logged into my place here. As you can see, I already have ALX low level programming right here, but let me just show you how I created it, so you can also go ahead and create it. Let me just show you how I created it. So just go over here and click on new, then go to this tab, copy this ALX low level programming, paste it here. It already exists, but yours will not show this because it does not exist for yours. So you can write anything here. I wrote this for mine. Then we are done, click on create a repository. So once you are done, it will show you this page right here. Now let me show you how to clone it, to bring it here. You do this. This is the format. I wrote it out here for you. This is the format you'll use. So let me just do that. This will also be in the description of this video, so you can copy and paste it. So your personal token will be here. So go to that place that you kept your personal token, copy it from that place and paste it here. Next up, your username, your GitHub username, followed by the repository name. That is this right here, ALX low level programming. Copy this right here and paste it here. Good. Now copy this, and here you type git clone, then paste what you copied, and then hit enter. Once you hit enter, it will show you some things. I've already done it to show you some things, and then once you press ls, you'll see ALX low level programming will be here. That is what is important. Don't mind any of the other things that are here. Once you see this ALX low level programming, you know that you are making progress. Now we can continue with the task. Now change directory into that ALX low level programming. ALX low level programming, you are in that directory now. The next thing is for you to create a readme file. So what you do, let me just show you that I've already done that here. See, a readme file is here already, so let me show you how I did that. You will simply echo, then what do you want to put in it. For mine, what I just wrote inside was see hello. You can literally write anything inside here. It's not really too much of a big deal. So just that, write anything there and put it in quotes. Then this symbol, not the V is not there, don't go and write V. Then this symbol, then readme.md. MD, yes, the readme is in caps. Then hit enter. Then that will create ls, that will create a readme file. Now you want to also create this hello world. So what you do is to touch, this is a directory, so you do make directory, mkdir. Cannot create file already exists. I already have it, so just run this one, it will work for you. Then change your directory to that. Then next, they said, remember in the requirements, a README file at the root of the repo, and a README file at the root of the project of the folder of this project. So another README file should be here. So again, you do echo, write anything inside here, hello, put the arrow, then again readme.md, then hit enter. Then you've done that correctly. What is next? Now it says that you should write a script that runs a C file through the preprocessor. To proceed, it said write a script that runs a C file through the preprocessor and saves the results into another file. The C file will be saved in the name this. The output will be saved in the file C. So what you'll do, copy this and you vi. So for this is what should be in your file. This is the exact answer. So just write this out. First press I, then you can begin to write. So just type this out in your own command line, and then press escape, colon WQ, then enter. Then you can proceed. Okay, please note that after you are done with each of these, before you can check your code, before this checker would work correctly, you have to make sure that your file is executable. So I'll teach you how to do that right now. So to make sure that your file is executable, after we are done with that process or something, type chmod plus x, then type the name of your file, processor preprocessor, and press enter. Then from that, go right here, check your code, start a new test. To the next one, compiler. Let's see, write a script that compiles a C file but does not link. For that, copy this right here. In here, write vim Ctrl+Shift+V to paste, enter. Now this is how I did the answer. Because of time, because my videos are very brief, I will not be just be typing it now as I'm talking. Because my videos are very brief, I will not be explaining how I got to this. If you want to know, comment below, so I'll make a separate video that will explain all of that. So remember to press I to enter in start mode and escape to go back to command mode, then shift colon WQ, hit enter to leave. Assembler, VIM shift V. This is what I did. I to enter insert mode, and then type everything I typed here. Escape when you are done, then colon WQ. Now name, write a script that compiles. We'll see is fun. Let's see that. VIM Ctrl+V. This is it. I insert. OC is fun. Escape to leave, colon WQ. Next, hello put. Write a C program that prints exactly programming is like building a multilingual puzzle, followed by a new line. So your file should be forputs.c. forputs.c. So VIM for put.c, enter. And this is what should be in your code. So just copy everything here. I might also be putting all of this in the description below. You can just copy from there. Note that what is here is not space, so is tab. So once you're here, just press tab to give this spaces. Don't press space, press tab. So just type everything as it is here. Then when you're done, press escape, :WQ, then enter. Hello printf. Write a C program that prints exactly with proper grammar, but the outcome is a piece of art, followed by a new line. So vim, paste this here. So this is exactly what should be in your file too. It's exactly, let me just extend it. It's exactly how your file should be. So do exactly what I did here, and then you'll be just fine. So next one, size is not grandeur, blah blah blah. Write a C program that prints the size of various types on the computer. This is a fun one. vim, all of that. This exactly is what should be there. Remember, this is a tab, not space. Tab. When you reach here, press tab. Let's check something. Okay, as it is now, you won't need to press tab, because when you open this bracket here, it will go to do that tab for you already, so there's no need for that. Escape, leave. Intel 101 Intel. So now you are done with all the mandatory tasks. That's all the mandatory tasks right there that we've done together. So don't forget to always run the chmod plus x to each of your files. So after you are done with each of these files, after you are done with each of these tasks, before you click check your code, first do this. When you're done with compiler, we run chmod plus x 0 this, then the name of the file. In this case, the name of the file is 1 compiler, and press enter. When it's assembler, type chmod plus x to assembler, hit enter. So please make sure to first run chmod plus x, then the name of your file, before you come here and click check your code, or else it will not work. So let's continue now. Now on to advanced tasks. Now this is what will give you the 200%. Write a script that generates the assembly code Intel syntax of a C code and save it to an output file. So this is the name of the file. Let's do VIM, paste the name right there. So write exactly what is here. Exactly what is here. Write it in your own command line. Command line, press escape, colon WQ to escape. And 8, Unix is basic blah blah blah. Write a C program that prints exactly this, followed by a new line, so the standard error. Okay, we're almost done. So copy this, VIM, paste it here, hit enter. So copy exactly as it is here. Just type it. Just type exactly as it is here. So I will include a file in the description that has all of these. Just copy exactly how it is here and paste it in yours. Hit escape. Then run your chmod plus x, the name of the file 101 quotes, and to work. Then you can run the checker. To run the checker here, to run your chmod plus x 100. Then you can run your checker, and that is how you get 200 in all of the tasks in this. That is how you will get 200%. And if you didn't notice, I like to keep my videos as straight to the point as possible. Unless if you want me to explain it, I'll make a separate video to explain. But if not, I like to go straight to the point. If that's what you want, subscribe to this channel for more like that. Thank you.